with me are the new age stars. Look at this shot once again.
Hello, I'm fine. See, I'm very angry.
Whoa! You're going to be angry, but I have to... Oh, God. You're going to be more angry right now.
She was telling me that she wanted to stay and sit on the same place that she had been sitting while we started. तो हमने उनको अभी खींच के लाया तो she's disappointed with about that. But I'm sure they अभी जिशु दा out हुए हैं. But Sandy, yeah, he's a good batsman. According to me, he's a good batsman. And Shayantika is totally fused. The thing is like she's disappointed about the fact that we have lost our captain Jishu. But don't worry, Sandy is there, Yusuf is there. Most importantly.
हाँ और मैं क्या कहूँ शायंतिका बहुत इस वक्त अपसेट है क्योंकि उनका एक सुपरस्टिशन वाला रूल है शी टोल्ड मी मुझे वहां से मत हटाओ डोंट रिमूव मी फ्रॉम द ग्राउंड आई गॉट अ हियर एंड द विकेट वेंट सो शी इज ब्लेमिंग मी राइट नाउ फॉर इट
Yes, you know, all the credit goes to the batsmen and the players, but then nobody gives us the credit. We shout, I've almost lost my voice, and we dance. Nobody gives us credit. This is wrong. I'm angry on so many reasons, you see.
No, there you
Coach.
go. But I envy your coach because he's always standing with pretty girls like Ridhima and Shayantika. And yes, that's getting maybe a 2. Yeah. But coming back to you, so your coach is really having a good time there. Sudeep is getting very upset. क्या हो रहा है उनके साथ?
Kicha, Sudeep sir, he is a very involved person in the field. And our sir, our Sushilda, our coach, he has really worked very hard with the team. We have been practicing from the last 1 month, and even that's why I think I got out. So.
Yeah, but we're going to be talking about that in a few seconds from now. 95 for 4 in 12 overs.
Thank God somebody, remembers us because we lose our voice. We do not move from our positions. We are so superstitious, but nobody gives us credit, Siddharth. It's only you who understood our emotions.
I understand. That's why I want to be with you all the time.
Yes.
मुझे बताओ वाकई में Joy जब ये लोग डांस करती है चिल्लाती है, does that motivate you all to perform better or does that sound like a distraction?
No, absolutely. That do motivate us. But at times when we see our coach standing with our brand ambassadors, we think at the end of the day we think what are we doing in the field, and we want to do whatever we want to do in 5-6 balls, and then we want to go back.
Mane, you are willing to get out to be with actresses, you naughty fellow.
No, nothing like that. But we really appreciate the fact that Shayantika, Ridhima, we have got some pretty ladies in our dugout, and they really do support us.
Well, tomorrow is Valentine's Day, man. So what's the plan of action? Are you taking Shayantika out or not? Or is she taking you out?
No.
Is there love in the air? Because you guys have worked so much together. There is contribution to scores by extras. Hi, Rabba.
Hi, Rabba. But on that cue, Siddharth, I won't...
We just can be positive and think of playing the finals.
Valentine's Day.
That's what I said. Tomorrow is Valentine's Day, so why not? We'll spend the Valentine's Day playing the finals. Yeah, let's be positive.
So she wants me to play on the Valentine's Day. So you'll have to promise me if we go to the final, you'll have to come for a dinner with me.
अरे वाह, यहाँ पे romance चल रहा है भाई. Setting चल रही है. I like this. This is what happens behind the scenes as well. Actresses with cricketers. I like this. I want to know. 99 for 4, but coming back to you, I want to know, is there sparks between both of you because you worked in so many films? Do you have a softer corner for him to perform better than other cricketers because you are great friends with him, or is it more than that meets the eye?
No, of course, of course we've worked together for so many films, and of course he's one of the main players of the team, and all of us, we want him to play, we want him to be at his best. But then yes, I want my team also. I want all of them to play well, So it's just the all of them. If all of them play well, then only we'll win, right?
Acha, mujhe batao, do you have a crush on her or not? Yeah.
I didn't get that. That's what I'm saying. I didn't get my answer. Is she? Are you going to come for the dinner with me?
भैया यहाँ पे Joy propose कर रहे हैं to
Yes,
Shayantika in a commentary box. Can't get better than this, man. We're giving you the goss. Shayantika, I want your answer, but after this, all right? Whoa! A clean single, 100 for 4 in 13 overs.
सीने पे गोली खाऊंगा.
सीने के लिए गोली खाएगा यार.
Whatever, but right now we are in a very crucial state. 100 up is already up for our team. I have Yusuf has settled inside the crease, and let's see what happens from now. But at the end of the day, I would like to say only one.
क्या बात है?
That's charm.
Official
That's
romance.
sheer charm.
CCL में क्रिकेट के साथ लोगों का रोमांस भी हम लोग क्रिएट करते हैं. Ladies and gentlemen,
Shot.
that's up in the air. Whacker of a
What a
shot.
shot.
Whoa. And you know what? I noticed the fact that Yusuf is on a roll. जब
Yeah.
यहाँ मोहब्बत की बातें हो रही है, वहाँ पे एक्शन की बातें हो रही हैं. So everyone, time you spread love here, they hear it and they get happy.
So we'll be spreading love as much Yusuf wants, but it's very important Yusuf. It's very important Yusuf goes like this, and I think at the end of the 20th over, we are looking at a score of around 170 to 180.
Well, you know what? Before we sign off, I want you to say one romantic line to Sayantika in Bengali, man. I want to hear that. Come on.
In Bengali,
Yes?
I would like to sing one song for her.
Oh, wow. I love this.
From
there
her
goes
movie.
another extra, man. Extra is like a formidable force in this league. Go for it, my friend.
এই প্রেমের রেডিও যদি বাজতে থাকে হায় দিল আমারা কেন যে आवाज
He's doing a mashup.
Sir, जो भी है, आप अच्छे इंसान है. You play well.
Thank you so much.
Look good, but you're a terrible singer.
I'm bad.
By the way, would you want to say hi to her as well? She must be a big fan of yours as well, huh? She is one of our fans. Hello, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. Acha, batao, one actor you're really attracted by. One cricketer you're really attracted by. Who's that? Sayantika.
Actor, I'm a big fan of Shah Rukh Khan.
Okay.
And cricketer, Virat Kohli as of now.
Oh, wonderful. So is it because of Virat's playing skills or is it because of his looks?
Both.
Ooh, baby. Looks like right now Joy is going for a plastic surgery. He wants to look like Virat Kohli.
That's why I've been growing my beards. First match I played without beards, and see the semi-finals I'm playing with beards.
देखिए आप देख सकते हैं कि cricketers कितनी respect करते हैं of actors and vice versa as well. But tell me now, one threat from there you go. What a shot! But unfortunately, it doesn't hit the boundary as well. Tell me one thing.
Yeah.
Have you already planned your celebration? Ki agar if we win the league, we're going to do something else, or you're just going with the flow?
Let's see. We are taking one match at a time, and we just today we are just focusing on this match. And if we win, then we'll decide what we'll do.
All right, 111 for 4. CCL Superfan call 5333 599. Win 1 lakh cash today. And that's another cracker, but Sudeep reacts really very strong as well. But thank you so much, Sayantika, and of course, Joy.
Thank you
May
so
you
much.
enjoy your Valentine's together, and maybe I'll join you as Kebab Mein Haddi.
Please come.
And Sayantika, if you like Kebab Mein Haddi, you can eat me up as well.
Yes, of course. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. And yes, 113 for 4. And thank you so much, Joy and Sayantika. Great having you with us. But the atmosphere in the stadium is so solid. What solid atmosphere. And right now joining me is the icon, Atul Vasan. Hello, sir. Good afternoon.
How are you doing? Looks like it's a belter out there. The wicket is fantastic as always. It's got a fair tinge of grass. You can see the green tinge, but it's dry. So that's good. And that's why you can see the stroke pair on the rise. The players are hitting it and they're connecting it. So if you just keep their wits about, I think this is a 10-run and over pitch, and 180 won't be enough.
Well, you know what? You've been seeing cricketers loving actors and actors actually playing cricket. How would you rate them on their cricketing skills, sir?
Well, actually, that's a very good question, because sometimes when, as a cricketer, we criticize them, they get upset about it. You know? And so it shows one good thing about that is they're very passionate about their game. And second thing is that probably they're taking it too seriously, because this is not their profession. And I love the passion. I love the intensity they are putting into it. I love the contest in it. You know, you can see that not an inch given, not an inch taken for granted, and especially Sudeep. He is a tough cookie. I've seen him since first season. Very competitive, sledging, and they've been a very consistent team. So I think cricket is getting better as we go along. Since the first season, they've come a long, long way. The basics are there. They're getting to know the etiquette, the ethics, the moral of the game, the ethos of the game, and that's a very healthy sign.
Oh, so Atul Vasan has approved the cricketers and the actors playing cricket as well. A big approval there. 113 for 4 in 14 overs.